Yo, angmohcardealer over here, and this right here is Hyundai Tucson. One owner only, fully serviced at the official dealer and in fantastic condition. Let's check it out. Have a look at this beauty. The design is very futuristic. The way that the headlights are integrated into the grille is just so very beautiful and very nice, classy bronze color. Have a look at the side profile of this SUV. Very, very beautiful. And now let's have a look from behind as well. Very beautiful tail lights. I really love this monolight, super slick. Behind overall, the car looks fantastic. Let's check out the boot space. The boot is fully electric and absolutely massive. Just look at all that room. Some more, we have a 12-volt socket in here. This thing can extend to separate your boot from the cabin, and of course the benches can fold to create even more room. Now let's close this. On the inside, super spacious for a rear passenger. Beautiful brown leather in fantastic condition. We also have rear passenger aircon, some charging ports for convenience, and this beautiful, beautiful panoramic roof. Now, let's go in. Alright, we're inside, and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Very beautiful and modern looking cabin. First things first, we have this beautiful full leather steering wheel. It's multifunctional with pedal shifters as well. Beautiful speedometer cluster, fully digital, and one thing I really like is how it will change the design when you select different driving modes. This is your touchscreen infotainment system. Of course, it comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as a very clear reverse camera. Now let's put it back to park. Over here, your aircon controls, very simple and intuitive. This is your gear selector, something like you would find in a modern Honda. So you operate it using the buttons, electric parking brake and auto hold function. Another very cool feature in this car that makes it really spec'd out is this. We have ventilated seats for both driver and the passenger. Also, both seats are fully electric. I mean, look at the condition. Really, really very nice, and design is also very nice. So both seats are fully electric, and driver side even comes with memory settings as well. And of course, this beautiful panoramic sunroof that can also be open. And I also like the blacked out roofline. Makes the car feel very, very premium. Have another look. Alright, on COE, we still have 5 years left. Plenty of time for you to enjoy. This car looks great, drives great, and is packed with some nice features. Viewing is available daily in our showroom, and you all know what to do. Call me and I'll give you a good deal.